Has it stopped working?
Toes can't come out.
Oh dear. Let's see if we can help him. Push it, place it. What's that for?
My leg is okay.
Show me.
It's okay.
Is it?
Yeah.
Show me. Is it stopping? Zach?
Yeah.
Show me. Show the video. Do you need help?
No.
What's happening to Thomas? Look here. How many Thomases do you have?
One.
No. You have plenty.
One.
Is it- You have just one?
Yeah.
Okay.
Ooh.
What's this one called?
It's a concept.
It's a God set.
Yeah.
All right, the volcano one.